Hi guys, welcome to GiftTech Solutions. Today we are going to take you through our amazing point of sale solution for businesses, right? And so that's basically what this video is about. GiftTech Solution is an IT consulting firm right here in Sunyani, Bruno region, Ghana. And so what we do is we do IT consulting. We build websites for clients, we build enterprise web applications for businesses, we do automation, digital marketing, as well as providing training services for corporate organizations and individuals. So today I'm here to introduce you to some of our amazing point of sale solutions for businesses, especially retail businesses, wholesale businesses, pharmacies, among others. So when you get to our website, you can go to the business solution under services. It's going to take you straight to where we sell our web application for businesses, right? And so currently we have three applications that we are promoting, which is the point of sale solutions for businesses of all sizes. And so that is why it's three different type of point of sale systems. And I'm going to explain each of them in this particular video, so that you understand the solution that we are providing. Now, let me go to applications. That is where you will find our point of sale systems. So we have the, let me start from here. Open source point of sale system is an open source system or point of sale solution that already exists. Okay, it's not built by GiftTech Solution. What we do is that we take it and we host it for clients. So we do the installation and then configuration and management of this particular open source point of sale system, and it's one of the most affordable point of sales we host for our clients. And so that is 70 cedis per month. And so we have the subscription package for a month, for quarterly, which is every 4 months, and then we have for a year. So there are three basic subscription models that we have for our clients. So you can pay for the full year, pay for every 4 months, or every month. That is how it is. And so I'll be showing you each of them very soon. Now, this particular one that you have here, you see here, the official GTS point of sales, is our official custom built from scratch point of sale solution for businesses. And so I'm showing you that interface is very amazing, multi-user, multi-branch. Every feature you need in a point of sale system is right here in our official point of sale system. It's very, very advanced. And then we have a customized open source point of sale system. So you see the open source point of sale system that we have right here, below here. We've customized it because it doesn't come with, or it's not developed or shipped with a lot of the features that most businesses need in Ghana. And so what we did is that we modified it to include some of the most essential features most businesses, especially small and medium scale enterprises, wholesalers, retailers, might need in their point of sale solution. And so we have that one too. Now let me take you through each of them, and so you understand. So the first one we'll be looking at is the open source point of sale system. This is how the interface looks like, and they have a lot of features that include items where you post your items, suppliers. You have receiving, where when you buy things you receive. You have the sales where you sell things. So the sales interface looks like something like this. You get it. And so you can search for product and you sell. You have the messaging, expenses side, the cash app, and then under the office too, you can see employees, attributes, expenses category, and the configuration where you configure the system to your liking. And so this is the open source point of sales solution. And then we have the customized open source point of sale solution. This is how the interface looks like. This one is this particular point of sale system, which is the open source point of sale system that we've customized it and added a lot of features. Now, in the open source point of sale system, when you come to customers, you only see total spend. You don't see the credit sales you've made to customers, or how you take those credit sales and all that. It's a little cumbersome right in there. But when you come to the customized open source point of sales by GiftTech Solutions, you are going to get under people, you are going to get the customers, and then you are able to get the total spend, total credit, and then total paid out of the credit, and then their balance left. And so you are able to equally receive payment from clients very easily. So that is some of the feature we've added into the open source point of sales. And so we customize it to become the GiftX solution open source point of sale system. And so that one is also available to our clients. Now, this particular open source point of sale system is starting at 150 cedis per month. Okay, so you pay 150 cedis every month, and then you get to use this point of sale system for your business. And so you can pay a month, quarterly, or monthly. And then, because basically, this includes hosting packages for you. So if you are paying monthly, you are not going to pay for a bulk amount in terms of getting the point of sale to start using in your business. All you need is your domain name and then the hosting platform you want to host on. But we have different hosting platforms and their own prices. So you buy your hosting and domain name, and then we host this system on it for you. And one of the good things about we managing the platform on your behalf is that anytime you do an upgrade or update on the software, you get it automatically. There's no need for you to pay us for upgrading or for maintenance. We do that by default. And so that is one of the things. Now, the third point of sale system is the GiftX solution official point of sale solution. And so this is how it looks like. So you see that when you come to the interface, we have the dashboard that shows you an overview of the entire activities going on your system, credit due debtors, everything that you need to know. It also gives you the place where you sell the products. Now, one of the good things about this particular point of sale system is that it also allows you to sell both in retail and wholesale. So you can set different prices and sell to customers depending on the type of customers they are. And then you can equally add customers to the system, and then you record. Now you can also record credit sales and then cash sales as well. And then when you select cash sales, you have the opportunity to pick the account in which the payment is going. So if you are receiving money via Momo will be there. If you are receiving money via bank will be there. So you can actually tailor the specific accounts those transactions are going into, so that at the end of the day you can easily print your January report and compare with your balances. And so that is one of the good things about this point of sale system. It also comes with the stock. In the another stock, you have all products where you add your products. We have the product categories. We have stock control. We have the stock variance. We have the stock report. We also have the purchases. So you place a purchase order, and once the purchase order comes in, you receive them in your system. And then we have branches where we can add different branches for the business. And so we also have the customers. We also have the suppliers, and then the staff. Now, this also comes with a feature where customers can actually buy product from you on credit and then pay and all that, and the system keep track of everything. And then the main feature that have been added is the financial side. We have the expenses, we have the revenue, and then we have the accounts. We have the comprehensive P&L, that's the profit and loss account or statement, also in there. And we have payroll. So you can pay your staff and record everything, and the system at the end of the day will look at your expenses, the sales that you've done, and then generate a profit and loss statement for you. And then we also have the reports side, where you can generate various type of reports for your system. And then we have the settings side. Now, one of the good things about this point of sales is that when you delete things, it doesn't delete straight away. So mistakenly somebody deletes something, it comes to the recycle bin. You can restore it back if it was a mistake. And then if it's not a mistake, you can now officially delete it from the system. And then you also have a place where you can actually control the access to the system, to various parts of the application. So you can have two admins, but one of the admin might not have certain features on the system, whilst one will have another access to another feature. So basically we're able to control access regardless of the role of the user in the system. And then we have the integration where you can actually integrate various payment gateways like the Paystack, Flutterwaves, ExpressPay, Haftel, and all that, so that you can actually use those platforms to collect payments from your clients. So if somebody comes in, I want to pay with Momo, you can simply ask for the number, enter it once you are doing the sales, and then a pop-up goes to the phone, they enter their password, money is deducted. Very simple. The customer doesn't have to go to the hassle of doing manual transfer from their phone and all that. So it's packed with a lot of features And then it's really amazing if you can subscribe to this particular point of sale system that we've created. So this is it. So this is the 3 point of sale solution that Gifted Solution have right now. And so the official point of sale solution from Gifted Solution is starting at 300 cedis per month. 300 cedis per month with all these bunch features within it. And yes, and so if you want, you can pay it every 4 months or every year, which is very good and it's really affordable as well. And we make sure that your system is maintained, the system is always up to date, and there's no issues or errors with your platform. And so if you need a point of sale system that's very reliable, that's affordable, that is easy to use, that you can tailor to your business, then please give us a call or contact us at 02488333753. Just the numbers on your screen. Or visit our website www.giftedsolutions.com or gtsappstore.com. You can get us and then you can start enrolling you onto our platform so you can also enjoy our enterprise solution. Let's say you have a different application that you want to build in mind and you need developers to help you build it. Contact us, we will equally help you get your enterprise solutions and get your business running and digitalized right away. My name is Emmanuel. We are ending here. Follow us on all social media platforms from Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, LinkedIn, X, all the platforms we are there. So just follow us on all these platforms. Send us a message and let's keep the conversation going. We have more videos for you. We are going to go into details in each of the point of sale system, typically showing you what is in there, how you can use all these features that I've mentioned. So please subscribe and then follow us so that anytime we drop a video about our solutions, you can follow us, learn, and equally subscribe to our solutions. I'll end here. See you some other time. Bye.
Student creator, business don't take your part. Laptop day, trending day, POS back. Upgrade your hustle, no more turning back.